Now let's go analyze our form again. Now time for the gender. This is a drop down menu. We don't want that. Let's have a radio button for the gender and maybe add a payment method of payment section here using the checkbox. Let's do that really quick. First start with the gender. We're going to open a new row here. There we go. All right. And we're just gonna copy that part really quick. The header, no need to type. All right, so we call this gender. All right, now let's create our 3D section. We know we need to merge 3 cells here. And I'm gonna put 3 inputs there. So 1, 2, and 3, right? All right, so let's separate them, make it more organized. All right. Okay, so this is gonna be for my male, and let's break down to the new line. And this is gonna be for my female. And let's have others, or other as well, right? So let's go select the type for each. So type of this, we're going to use radio here. We are going to select the same name. That user only can select one of them at a time. All right, same thing here. And let's put them a value here. Call it male. Okay, and let's repeat the same thing for all 3. Type, video, name. All right. So we're gonna have a same name, all 3. Email, and last but not least, let's do the other. Here we go. Type, radio, name, gender, value. Let's call other. Let's just put this like this. Okay, let's save. And let's see what it looks like. I refresh the page. Here we go. It's right there, right? I can see I can only select one, no problem. All right, so that is done. Let's copy the whole thing because the payment is pretty much the same. We're just gonna use the checkbox here to just copy, paste. All right, so make this payment. Payment again here. All right, so instead of radio, we are going to use checkbox this time. And we are gonna go name payment 1, payment 2, payment 3. All right, and the value of this, let's see, this credit, this is debit, and let's say cash. And let's also set the values. Oh, we did the values. Let's just fix this as well. Credit. All right. Debit and cash. Oh, come on. All right, let's save that. Let's take a look. Here we go. And you can see you can select multiple. Maybe somebody want to pay credit and debit at the same time, or cash. so they can do so. All right, so this is done. Now let's be creative and add two sections here. One for the user to select color, and the other one is actually uploading a file. So let's do that. All right, so let me just go back to this, maybe make this a little bit bigger. All right, so we're good to go. Let's open a new section here, a new row. Okay, so first thing, we need the header. Let's do that. And we're gonna have two of them, one for selecting the color, one for selecting a file. Let's say select color. Let's do it Canadian way. And let's do select file, right? Or a file. All right, let's save that. Let's take a look. Here we go. So we're gonna add two more sections, so we don't need to actually merge any cells. So one here, that one would be my TD here, and let's have one for the other section. There we go. And now let's go and get the input. Let's say input. All right, so what kind of input we want here? There is an attribute called color, which gives me a color selection. We're going to take a look in a second, and let's name it color so we can store it here. All right, so let's save that, and let's do the same thing for the file. File is more interesting, so let's say the type would be the file, and here let's say ID that my file. And also, let's name it my file, same thing. And here is the accept attribute. You can limit what the user can actually upload to doc, let's say just with the Microsoft Word kind of stuff, or docx, so we can actually define the what kind of file you want to upload. And also, even you can say from an application, so let's say MS Word, so anything from the Word can be supported. Let's say just we want to do that. Let's save it. All right, let's take a look. Here we go. So we have the color. If you click, you can see the colors here, and you can choose file. Okay, let me cancel that. Choose file. Here we go. You can see the custom files are these, right? Doc, and docx, and pretty much that. So we limit that to this. Really good. Okay, so next order of business, let's have something like audio setting that user can adjust the audio, something like this. All right, another TR here.